Hey everyone, it's Boris Mednikov here.
And Tanya Zluba with Vanguard Real Estate.
And today we'd like to show you our newest listing that's located number 70 Normandy Drive in a family-friendly Crestview neighborhood. Let's step inside and take a look. Welcome to this beautiful family home that features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, fully finished lower level, single oversized garage, beautiful backyard, and so much more.
You're gonna love this beautiful brand new kitchen, which comes with quartz countertop, soft closing cupboards, new appliances, and a tiled backsplash.
This gorgeous property been basically renovated top to bottom with newer floors, paint, light fixtures, windows, and many more other great features. Check out this gorgeous fully finished lower level. It comes with a large rec room, full bathroom, and 2 additional rooms. One of them can be used as a playroom, den, or a guest room, and a second can be great home office or a gym.
I love the location of this property. It's a short walk to elementary school, short drive to middle school, close to shopping, walking trails, and a beautiful pond.
For any additional information or to book a private showing, you can contact us at the information below. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media at Boris Mednikov
And Tanya Zluba on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.
See you soon!